Specifiers frequently get a few things wrong when implementing a UPS system. A couple of these things, the environment and location, are often not considered important. Also, the type of load is often overlooked because UPSs now are used in a variety of applications. Well, the environment and location are very important. The UPSs are complex electronic machines, unfortunately sometimes viewed as just a big battery. The environment will affect the operation, the maintenance and the lifespan of the unit. They should be in a dry, dust-free, clean environment. If not, it can lead to catastrophic failure, or if not, just premature aging. Another thing often overlooked is the temperature. VRLA batteries should be kept at 20 degrees C. They will work at different temperatures, but will have varied performance. Temperatures over 20 degrees C will damage the battery, and in extreme cases will lead to thermal runaway. We also need to make sure that we leave safe clearance for maintenance and repair of the unit, and this is often overlooked. The type of load is very, very important. It can be for safety or non-safety, and this will greatly affect the design, especially around downstream fault clearance. The specifiers will typically use BS 7671 and the requirements within that, but they should also consider BS 9999 when we look at the safety services. Now, the loads can be all different types of loads now. So it can have inrush, leading power factors, or be regenerative when we look at the lights and motors and lifts in safety requirements. So that load will also determine the autonomy of the UPS. The safety services will set the autonomy in the regulations, where non-safety use will be set by the end user. These are typically 10 to 15 minutes, however they can be from a few minutes to several hours. So it's important that you speak to a knowledgeable supplier to ensure your UPS is correctly sized and installed.